Well, hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Jay. I want to welcome you out to the channel where I have the opportunity to help you speak better English. Today we're going to look at the English phrase, hold your horses. Hold your horses. This is kind of a funny sounding phrase, but it's something that's used pretty often in the English language. Hold your horses. Let's get into today's lesson. So hold your horses is simply a term that means to be patient, slow down, or to wait. So if you were talking to someone and they were being impatient with you and you wanted them to wait a few minutes or just slow down and stop being so antsy, you would say hold your horses. And you could use this term in your family, with your children, with co-workers, or with someone in an informal setting. I probably wouldn't tell my superiors or a boss or a supervisor hold your horses unless I had a pretty good relationship with them. Hold your horses. So let's get ready to look at some examples that I have in sentence form that you can take and you can practice saying this phrase. Our first example, we will leave in 1 hour, so hold your horses. We will leave in 1 hour, so hold your horses. So if your kids are anxious or your spouse or a family member is anxious to go to the store, go to the park or go somewhere, and you were trying to get ready but they were rushing you, you would just say, look, we'll leave in an hour, hold your horses. Okay, let's go to another example. You may say, goodness, just hold your horses for a minute. Someone may try to rush you to do something, to say something, and you would just say, goodness, will you please hold your horses? And again, that means wait a minute, be patient, just hold on. Okay? Our last example for today, you may tell someone, will you hold your horses? I'm trying to call her now. So it may be an emergency, or someone may want you to make a phone call and they're pushing you to hurry up. Look, I'm making the phone call. Will you just hold your horses? So make sure you practice saying, hold your horses. This is something that you could use in your daily conversations or communications. So leave me a comment down below. How would you use this phrase in a sentence or a conversation? How would you tell someone to hold their horses? What would you say? Write it down in the comments and let me know. Well, as always, I want to thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I really appreciate everyone taking time out of their busy schedule to come by the channel and interact, and even some of you commenting and liking the videos. With that being said, make sure if you learned something to give me a like, leave me a comment. How would you use hold your horses in your conversation? And if you know someone trying to speak better English, please share today's video with them. Well, with that being said, I want to invite you to look at some of my other videos here on the channel. As always, have a wonderful day and may God bless you.